So I'll be showing you how to unmute someone's Instagram stories on your own Instagram account. So simply launch the app and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That takes you to your profile page. And then tap on the three-line button in the top right corner and then select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, you should see Muted Accounts. So if you tap on that, that's going to show you all the muted accounts. And then you can see this particular account, I had muted the stories only. So to unmute, just tap on the unmute button and then confirm you want to unmute stories by turning off the toggle button next to mute stories. And you can do that for all people you've muted stories for. So just tap on unmute and then unmute stories by turning off the toggle button. Now, if you want to continue muting their posts, you can do that, or you can unmute that as well. But as far as stories go, they have a specific button where you can turn mute on or off. So that's basically how to unmute stories on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.